guys, so today welcome back with another video, and today we are in Roblox studio, and this is I'm gonna show you how to make a person in your game, like how you interact with a person. So look, I'm making my own Candyland obby, and yeah, see, look, I did this. So when you click on this girl, you can conversate with her. Hello, and then you have goodbye or hi. So hi, and then huh, where are we? And then you need to jump over to get over there. I'm still not finished, but I wanted to show you how to do that if you didn't know. So grab an NPC. Let's just grab this guy. NPC. Yeah. So now you need to find your NPC. There you can see that. So here you have the NPC, and then oh my gosh, what? NPC. So now we need the head. Here's the head. Then right click on that part, and then click insert object, and now click, where is it? Dialogue. There, you have dialogue. Then click on dialogue, and here you have this. So initial prompt. So what you want the NPC to say, I'm gonna say here, hello. There's hello. And then you need to right click on dialogue when you have finished writing what you needed to do on initial prompt, and then don't do anything. Then right click on dialogue, insert object, and now click dialogue choice. Dialogue choice. Wait, what? Okay, so yeah. Here's dialogue choice. Click on that. User dialogue. So this is what you are gonna say. So you're gonna say like hi or something. And then response dialogue. What's up? Or something like that. And then click enter, then test it out. Let's see how that works. The NPC! No! Okay, NPC, what are you doing? Wait, let me click on that. So, hello. Hi. What's up? So that's what he's saying. And that's how you conversate with a person. I only know it like that. So yeah. Bye guys!